But I'm hungry. I'm gonna make some food now. All right, got a pancake with fresh blueberries in it. Not too shabby. Blueberry pancake.
Some maple syrup.
All right, fried Spam and pancakes. Good combination. It is hard to beat blueberry pancakes with maple syrup. All right, time for seconds here. Woo.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, me and my family would go camping here in Alaska, and we would go berry picking and pick wild blueberries, and Mom would make blueberry pancakes every morning. This brings back a lot of fun memories.